The question is the email impersonating a legitimate brand? And in the evidence gathering phase, right, we can gather information from who is and sender reputation and DNS records that allow us to draw inferences and ask additional questions about the sender domain, for example. Or we'll also, if there are URLs in the email, go to those websites, take screenshots of the pages, and then we can run machine learning models against those to help us detect brands and potential spoofing that way. All of that is, one step in the process. After that, right, we'll ask questions, or the answers will be tied to the evidence that we've gathered. And then lastly, we'll draw those conclusions. And importantly, that structure that we get in this process, we call that the chain of evidence. If an analyst is looking at these conclusions, they could go directly back to those sub-questions that we're asking and the evidence that they're based on. So transparency of that reasoning is really important.